Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. In its project description, as the assistant manager of celebrity musician shop, you want to calculate the retail price, sales price and profit analysis for the selected item on the sales this month. You will calculate sales price based on the discount rates. Finally, you will calculate the profit margin to determine the percentage of the final scale price over the cost. You will check the spelling, use autofill to complete sequences for the product codes, and find and replace text. In addition, you will adjust column and row setting, move and copy data, format the worksheet, and apply page setup option. That is our project description. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Cengage course, or if you need help in Excel assignment, PowerPoint assignment, Access assignments, or Word assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file. Excel chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. I have already opened this file. That's our file. So we will move to our second step. You notice that the worksheet contains some spelling error that need to be corrected. Use the Excel to check and correct the spelling error in the worksheet. So we will go and we will just uh, press F7 to check the spellings. Here it's checking. You will just change the spelling. So spelling check complete. You are good to go. Press OK. That's our second step. Our third step is you want to use autofill to enter a series of codes to create the product numbers. Enter 101 in the cell B5. We will copy this and go to the cell B5. That is our cell B5 and paste it here 105. And what he is saying, use the autofill to complete the sequence for the range B6 to B10. So we will select this one and drag down. We will just select this one and use autofill option here. What did he say? Did we need to use autofill? That's in this way we will fill this one, and that's our third step. Our fourth step is to motivate customer to buy more products. You want to calculate the change 5% up to 10% off. Find the all occurrence to 0.05. We will copy this. Control C. We will just select Control F and we will go to here. We will select this one and we need to replace with 0.10. So we will put 0.10 in the replace with and select replace all. So all done, we have made one replacement. So okay, you will press OK and close this one. So it changes only one occurrence, and that's our fourth step. Our fifth step is column C contains the cost of each product and column D contains the markup rate. Using these values, you will calculate the markup amount for the each project in the cell E. In the cell E5, enter a formula to calculate the markup amount. So we will go to the E5, that is our cell E5, which is the result of multiplying the cost of markup rate by cost and the markup rate. So what is this? Is equal to, we will put is equal to cost multiplied by markup rate. So in this way we will get markup. We will copy this formula up to E10. So we will get our markup rate. Copy the formula up to range E6 to E10. I have already copied this one, E5 E6 to E10. So that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is, now that you have calculated the markup amount, you can calculate the retail price of the each product in column F. So in the column F, enter a formula to calculate the retail price. We need to put a formula to calculate the retail price in the cell F5. What is saying, which is the sum of the cost and the markup amount. So we will is equal to, we will press equal to cost plus markup amount is in the cell E5, and in this way we will get retail price. We will what is saying, copy the formula up to F6 to F10. So we need to copy the formula up to F10. In this way we will get the our retail price. That's our sixth step. So we have total 28 steps of this assignment. In this video I have completed only six steps. If you want to know the remaining steps, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.